The Blessed Emmanuel, the Blessed Man. In today's video, I am going to show you a particular tool that I use in ranking my videos on the first page of YouTube. Now, if you know about SEO, search engine optimization, you will know how it will help you to get organic traffic that will help you to rank your videos, get traffic into your website, get traffic into whatever thing that you are promoting. So in this video, I am going to be showing you a particular tool that I use, which is Video Marketing Blaster tool that I use in order to rank my videos on the first page of YouTube. So let me just show you some of the examples of what I mean. Okay, so if you go to YouTube, if you go to YouTube, you could go to youtube.com. Click on youtube.com. On youtube.com, what I want you to do is to click on the search button and type in my lead. Okay. On YouTube, just type in my lead. This is one of the videos that I just posted some 2 days ago or yesterday. My lead gen secrets review. Okay, so just hit search. Just hit search and let's see if my video is actually on the page of YouTube. Okay. Waiting for it to load. You can do the typing yourself. Just do this search that I'm talking about. Just type on your YouTube, my lead gen secret review. Just type it on your YouTube, and you're going to see some videos about this particular software review. Look at this. My video is not number one. The name of my channel is below. This is number one video there. Number one video. Number two video. Network is actually dealing with me here. Okay, so wow, what's really going on? Okay, the first video, if we get past the first video, the second video, the third video, and this is the fourth video right here on the first page of YouTube. You can see it here. This video was created 16 hours ago. It has only 9 views here. This is the video that I made about my lead gen secret. Look at me here. You can see it. You know, this is the title. This is my channel. If I go down, down, after the 5th video, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, okay, the 9th video, here comes another video of mine. I created it 2 days ago here, and I created it 2 days ago, and is here on the first page. So I have two of my videos that are showing up here for this particular keyword. Look at it here, you can see it, my lead secret review and bonuses from Blessed Word Coach, Blessed Word Coach. Okay, so that's it, guys. I can do this for another keyword. Let me see if I can show you another keyword here. Let me see if I can show you another keyword here. Okay, so let me go back to search box, and then I talk about my video. Okay, video lead machine review. Okay, let me go for this keyword again and see if I can find one of my videos. Excuse me. Okay, guys, for this keyword, video lead machine review, okay, if you go, you have first video, second video, third video, fourth, fifth video, sixth video, seventh, eighth, 9, and then 10. This is another of my video here. Look at it here. I made this video for this. So I have not actually promoted this video. If I promote this video to get views, you know it will be ranking as #1 or the first to the third video in this place. So guys, that is to show you that these two work. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get your video to rank on the first page of YouTube using this powerful tool that I have here. So with that said, if you are new to my channel, this is the Blessed welcome. In this channel, what we do is we do products, things that are working, and when we see their works there, for you to get value, videos on how to make money online, videos on traffic method to affiliate marketing, and so on and so forth, videos about cryptocurrency, how to make money, and so many other things is what you're going to be getting from this particular channel. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop a video, you will be among the first person that will be notified about this particular the particular video that I am dropping. So guys, look at it here. So you can come to this channel, and I'm really having problem with network here, but I hope you guys are seeing the channel. So subscribe to it, share our videos, and then give us a thumb up. Let me quickly, with the little time I have, let me dive into video marketing blaster. Video marketing blaster is this video will help you to suggest keyword, and after keyword you can go to video details. You can do niche analysis and rank tracker. If you go to this niche analysis, it's going to tell you your competitors, what they are doing on that particular keyword. It's going to tell you what you're going to do to outrank them. It's going to also tell you it's going to also tell you the kind of tag you're going to use to make your video to rank. So guys, it's a very powerful tool that all internet marketers need. This particular tool. Okay, let me try to load the tool right now. This is just messing up. So this particular tool is going to help you to generate titles that will rank your video. to help you to generate descriptions that will rank your video, and then the tags you're going to use, and also suggested title, suggested phrase, and suggested tag. So all you need to do is to just come over to this place and click on this. Let me say, okay, let me just try to generate a particular uh, metadata for a particular video that I want to do. So let me say, okay, send Primo, send Primo review. Let me use this as an example. So I just click on start generating. I'll click on start generating. Okay, so these are sources I've already generated before. So if you click on this, for instance, if you click on it, it will show you this is the title, this is the description generated, this is the tags, these are suggested. If I click on this, that ranked that my video that I just showed you, this is the description that it generated. And then this is the title. You can see it on that my video on YouTube. Then these are the tags and so on and so forth. If I click on this one also that ranked my video on YouTube, this is the description that it generated. You just have to tweak these descriptions and make it to be readable. Then this is the title. If you want to go further to analyze this, you just go to niche analysis, for instance. If you go to niche analysis, pick the keyword, go to niche analysis, and then type in the keyword. For instance, let me see this. For instance, for this particular keyword, let me see the keyword that is here. Okay, so for this particular keyword, my lead gen secret review, you can see in this ranking reports is going to the in-depth analysis is going to show you, is going to show you your competitors, going to show your competitors, that have done videos. You can see this is best SEO here. You can see best SEO. It showed you how many times the title matches the keyword, and then the descriptions, the tags, how they match. You can see it is very green here. This is the best SEO for this particular keyword. If you go down, you can see the reason why my video is ranking. Look at it here. Look at it here, because is showing forth here that this is one of the best SEO, exact match, and so on and so forth. So it shows you that this is how these your competitors are doing about this particular keyword, and you can see the good ones there. If you click on ranking reports, for instance, it's going to show you this, my lead review. It will be pretty easy to rank on the first position on YouTube. Ranking on the first page, what does it require from you? It requires only 140 views, 4 likes, 4 comments, 7 subscribers. Once you get this, you can get this your video on the first page of YouTube, and then they have given you a suggested tag you're going to use for this your video. So guys, this is a very powerful tool that I've been using. It has helped me a lot to get organic traffic to my affiliate marketing promotion, and I am sharing these tools to you today so that you can go out there and use it also to make money for yourself. So if you want to get this tool, just make sure that you click on the link below this description of this video. Just make sure you click the link, and you are going to get this tool. You're going to use them, and it's going to work for you the way it's working for me. So with that said, guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. Check out my channel, subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and click the bell notification icon so that you can get every video that will drop here on daily basis. Every single day I drop videos on my 2 channels, Blessed Info News and Blessed Word Coach. Thank you very much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.